Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kayla Harris, and this PowerPoint is about staying hydrated and the benefits of water on the body. Some functions of the water is that it regulates body temperature, it lubricates joints, dissolves minerals and nutrients to make it accessible to the body. It lessens the burden on kidneys and liver by flushing out waste and carries nutrients and oxygen to cells. The proper intake of water for adults is around 8 to 9 cups of water, and for children, this is 7 to 8 cups of water. This do vary based off the age. The younger you are, the less amount of water needed for the body, so for you to stay hydrated. And also health wise, if you have a patient that's on dialysis or have renal failure, you don't want to overload them with a lot of fluids. They can only have so much of fluids. I also found that children ages 1 to 3 years old need approximately 4 cups of water a day. This is including water and milk. And it increases as the child gets older, and eventually they will need the same amount of an adult from the ages of 8 and up. Now, the amount of water to consume, you don't have to always just have the liquid form of water to be hydrated. You can also have foods such as watermelon, cucumber, salad, and zucchini. I found a lot of benefits on this. Cucumber, for one, it is 95% of water in 1 serving of cucumbers, and it also gives a good source of fiber, vitamin K, and vitamin A. Watermelon is about 92% of water, and it is a very great source for antioxidants. And lettuce is about 95% of water in the form of raw lettuce, and it also gives a great benefit for bone strength, vision, and sleep. So all of these have other benefits as well. For beverages, you want to have water, Gatorade, Powerade, Pedialyte. Now, Gatorade, Powerade, and Pedialyte all have electrolytes that the body needs. I found that for the people that you do strenuous exercise, they should always intake fluids with electrolytes. But if you're having a light workout and you're not really doing a lot, it would be great for you to stay hydrated with just water and not drink the Gatorade and Powerade. Some consequences of not staying hydrated is that it can lead to heat injury and other problems for the body, such as kidney problems, seizures, and it can also cause hypovolemic shock, which could lead to worse things. Symptoms for this is dizziness, headache, fatigue, which is tiredness, dry mouth, irritability, constipation, and dark colored urine. Dark colored urine could be a sign that you're dehydrated because the urine is more concentrated. Most of the time, when you have a lot of water and you're hydrated, the urine won't be dark. It would maybe be like a lemonade color, more on the bright yellow side rather than the dark yellow brownish side. And dehydration could also be a sign. Dry skin could also be a sign of what of dehydration. For example, the people that's dehydrated and they have cracked lips or dry lips, that could be a sign that they're dehydrated and need water. How the population beverage choices influence the function of water in the body. The beverage choice a person may depend on the amount of water consumed by the body, and I wanted to use alcohol as an example. Alcohol is very bad to the body, especially when it comes to dehydration, because this is a type of diuretic to the body. When consuming alcohol, it inhibits the ADH hormone. This hormone allows the renal system to hold in water. So when a patient is dehydrated, the ADH hormone job is to be able to absorb and hold in the little water that person has. But when you're drinking alcohol and consuming alcoholic beverages, this inhibits the hormone, which allows the body to excrete urine from the body, of course removing water with it, which causes dehydration to the body. These are some references, and thank you for listening.